How can we as engineers design a fast and furious car powered only by a baking soda and vinegar chemical reaction? We had to figure out a way to mix the two products in order to have our car move. So we decided to put the baking soda in a tube that is like that, and then when we put the tube into the car, it would mix, and the reactant would be, would be something like this. We would set the car up at its reference point, which was an X marked with chalk, and then we would race the car and see how far it went and measure its displacement.
In phase 1, we learned how to find a successful ratio of baking soda to vinegar. We applied what we learned, but we were able to come up with our most successful mix of two substances. In phase 1, we struggled with coming up with a stable design for our car.
In phase 1, we were successful when we were able to have our car travel a far distance in just a short amount of time. In the race, our car went as the fastest in our class, and we felt very proud of our accomplishment.
Our design in phase 2 didn't change that drastically, but one of our problems was having the wheels wear out quickly, so we decided to make an alteration and line the wheels with rubber bands. Sadly, the rubber bands ended up having a more negative effect on our car than we thought. It ended up kind of messing up the way that the wheels would turn, and then that ended up having the car not travel as far as we'd hoped.
We learned how to calculate the speed of our car using the formula, which is distance over time equals speed. In phase 2, we struggled with trying to come up with the best possible design for their distance.
In the race, our car placed second place, and we were very proud. If there were a phase 3, we would definitely spend more time researching the best design for our car, which would include better wheels and more stability throughout the car.
In the end, we as engineers were able to come up with a successful ratio of baking soda and vinegar, a functional design for our car, and we figured out different ways of testing our car that worked the best for us. The most challenging part of this project was definitely finding a stable design for our car. The most enjoyable part of this project was in the first race, seeing our car place first, and in the second race, seeing our car place second. We were the most proud of ourselves when we were able to look back at all of our accomplishments and see the total progress that we've made.